Hello friends, welcome to CodeMeta channel. In this video, we will talk about full form of BTS. BTS have lots of forms. We will cover 88 full form for BTS and explain one full form which is most popular. We have four categories where we have 20 full form of BTS. First, in the first category, we have 20, which you are visible on in front of you. The first 20 BTS category is Bureau of Transportation Statistics. Other one you can read from the screen by holding it or pause the video and one by one read it. The next one category is second category, which we have more 20 full form of BTS. You can hold the screen and read it one by one. The third one category, we have more 20 full forms for BTS. The next category, we have 20 more full forms for BTS. It's big thought students like. In the next category, fifth category, we have 8 full forms for BTS. A total 88 full forms of BTS we cover in this video. Now we will talk about most popular BTS full form, which is Bangtan. Bangtan is a musical group and they have 7 peoples. Those name are Jin, Jiminy, Jungkook, RM, J-Hope, Suga and V. Full name of these people we added in front of short names. You can read it by holding the or stop the video, pausing the video. Next, what type of albums BTS group made? It is Drunk and Blind, Too Cool for School, School LUV Affair, Love Yourself, Dark and Wild, Face Yourself, Wing, and the most beautiful moment in the life. We have mistakenly added cardiologist here, so we will not remove it, but sometime such type of mistake make happy to you. Let's remove from the slide. I removed the line that is not related to BTS. Now let's go on next slide about CodeMeta channel. What you will get on CodeMeta channel from us. First, development related tutorial like React, PHP, Node.js, etc. If you are related to IT sector or looking to learn web development related things, then you can subscribe us. Or if you are looking for full forums or GK related question answer, then you can connect with us. We also provide news. Sometimes we share the different topic of news which is important for your knowledge. And next is answers on your asked questions or feedback, which you will write us in comment box on any video. The third one is child education tips. We share related topics or child related things which can learn you or help you your child to learn most important lessons. You will get all of things from me or CodeMeta channel. So subscribe the CodeMeta channel. If you have any question or feedback for me, write in the comment box, or you can write us email on shared email ID. Thank you. See you in next video. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe to this video to engage me.